Hello, BASE members. My name is Tim Ambrose. I'm your 2020 chair of the Leadership, Evaluation, and Selection Committee. And guess what? It is time to do some selecting, but I need your help. This is a time of year where we reach out to you, our members, and ask you to nominate someone that you feel stands head and shoulders above the rest in 4 particular categories. First category is Realtor of the Year. This individual gives their time tirelessly working with their brokerage, with the association, with the state, as well as national association to better advance us as realtors and improve our business. So if you know someone that meets those qualifications, please take a moment and nominate them to us, okay? Second category is Rookie of the Year. This individual, pretty new to the business, about 24 months max. But what you notice about this individual, once they got into the business, not only did they focus on their clients, but they also focused on how to improve the community that we serve. They got involved in committees. They're involved in various outreach committees in the community. So if you know someone that's new to the business that fits that qualification, please send their information to us. Third, I have to confess, this one's near and dear to me. As a practitioner, we cannot do our business without our platinum affiliates. We love our affiliates. That includes our stagers, our home warranty, our lenders, our photographers, anyone that you know that has stood head and shoulders above the rest to help us as realtors, as well as giving back to the association. Take some time to nominate them. We want to let them know how we appreciate them and all the work that they do, okay? Last but certainly not least is our Good Neighbor Award. This person gives their time tirelessly to the community. That could be feeding the homeless, feeding the elderly, working at animal shelters. You know, unfortunately with the COVID-19 breakout, I've seen realtors in assembly lines packing food to give to those that are less fortunate. I've seen realtors passing out the protective gear to our healthcare workers. So someone that you know that just you feel just goes above and beyond to serve our community. So what I want you to do for more information is go to bayeast.org/awards-criteria to get more information and help you decide who would be a good candidate for us. So let me close by saying this. I really miss you guys, but we gotta be safe. We gotta stay home. If you're gonna go out, put on your mask, practice social distancing so we can get this behind us and we can start getting back together and being with each other that we so much love to do. So until then, thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you when we can.